If you quit once, it becomes a habit, never quit. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why succeed. I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I cannot accept not trying. I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Failure gave me strength. Pain was my motivation. You have competition every day because you set such high standard for yourself that you have to go out every day and live up to that. I play to win, whether during practice or a real game.